Yes. Okay, good morning students. In last class we discussed exercise problems. Last exercise, I think maybe 3 examples may remain. Correct? Yes. So example number 8 eighth example. Sin A plus cosec A whole square plus turn off the fan cos A plus sec A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. How many have you solved this example? Solved? Yes. See here. So LHS we can take LHS sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square. So this is in the form of A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square expansion A square plus B square plus 2A into B. Am I right? Similarly, cos A plus sec A whole square. This is also in the form of A plus B whole square. A square plus B square plus 2A into B. 2AB. Am I right? Yes. Now, sin square A plus cos square A is nothing but 1. Identity. Trigonometric identities. First identity is telling that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So, the right hand side in the form of tan and cot. Right hand side in the form of tan and cot. So, we can write cosec and sec in the form of cot and tan using identities. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. 1 plus cosec square theta is equal to cot square theta. This cosec square A, I can write it as 1 plus cot square A. Am I right? Yes. Now, plus 2 sin A into cosec A is nothing but 1 upon sin A. Sin square cos square is 1, already it is written. So sec square means 1 plus tan square A plus 2 times of cos A into sec A is 1 upon cos A. Cos A get cancelled. Sin A get cancelled. Here it is 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus remaining term cot square A plus tan square A. 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A is your RHS. Okay? No problem. Come here. Uturi. Just finished? Can you take next example? Last component, come here. Last line, come. So next example, cosec A minus sin A. Ninth example, cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A is equal to 1 upon tan A plus cot A. 1 upon tan A plus cot A. So LHS side you can take. See the LHS side. Cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A. So here cosec is there. This cosec we can write in the form of sine, and here sec is there. This sec we can write in the form of cos. So now cosec A is 1 upon sin A minus sin A upon 1. Similarly, sec A we can write in the form of cos, 1 upon cos A minus cos A upon 1. So we can take LCM separately. First equation and second equation. So we can take LCM. LCM is sin A, one is the sin A. Sin A, one is the sin A. Sin A into 1, 1 into sin A. 1 is the 1. Sin into sin. Square of sin A into bracket. So the LCM is cos A. LCM is cos A. Cos A, 1 is the cos A. 1 cos A is the cos A. 1 is the 1 minus cos into cos. Cos square. 1 minus sin square A into bracket. 1 minus cos square. 1 minus sin square A is nothing but cos square A. Identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square. 1 minus cos square is sin square. So cos square A divided by sin A into 1 minus cos square is sin square A divided by cos A. Is that the proof? 1 upon tan A plus cot A. Okay, we'll see. Yes, cos, it cancel. Sin, it cancel. Cos A into sin A is one proof, and here they ask to prove that 1 upon tan A plus cot A. Yes, same examples you can take. Is it right? Check it question once. Oh, sorry, simplify LHS and RHS separately. So LHS we simplified now. So RHS we can take. RHS, I thought it is true. No, it is not true. It is just verified. So LHS is cos A into sin A. So now RHS we can take. RHS is 1 upon tan A plus cot A. Okay. See, LHS in the form of cos and sin. LHS we verified in the form of cos and sin. So now we can write RHS in the form of cos and sin. So 1 upon tan A is sin A upon cos A plus cot A is cos A upon sin A. So in denominator we can take the LCM. 1 like as it is divided by LCM is sin A into cos A. LCM is sin A into cos A. And here cos A is there. We need to multiply with the sin A, and here sin A is there. We need to multiply with the cos A. Sin into sin, square of sin A plus cos into cos, square of cos A. So this moves to numerator. Okay, sin A into cos A divided by sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. So your answer is sin A into cos A. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. Come. Hence verified. Note down. These many days you did attend the class, right? I think it's your first day. Am I right? You want to put corner. Correct? What is the meaning? You wear uniform in uniform. Huh? Yes. Good. Come there. Come. Lift. It's finished. This last example, then you can take. Prove that 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 plus cot square a is equal to 1 minus tan a whole square upon 1 minus cot a whole square is equal to tan square a. So what we have to prove here? We have to prove that 1 plus tan square a upon 1 plus cot square a is equal to tan square a, and 1 minus tan a upon 1 minus cot a whole square is equal to tan square a we have to prove. So let's take the example 10th one. Tenth one. 1 plus the square of tan a divided by 1 plus a square of cot a is equal to 1 minus tan a upon 1 minus cot a whole square is equal to a square of tan is equal to square of tan. Okay. So LHS side we can take first and third one we can take, and second and third. Okay. Yes. LHS side 1 plus a square of tan a divided by 1 plus square of cot a. 1 plus square of tan a divided by 1 plus square of cot a. But we have to prove tan square a. So this cot we can write in the form of tan. 1 plus tan square a numerator write as it is, and in denominator there is a term that is a cot square a. That cot we can express in the form of tan 1 plus 1 upon tan square a. Make it complete. So now numerator again write as it is 1 plus tan square a divided by, take LCM in denominator. Here it is a 1 and here it is a tan square. Tan square a into 1 is tan square. So LCM is tan square a. LCM is tan square a. See, here tan square is not there, 1 is there. So you have to multiply with tan square a. Here tan square is there, so you have to multiply with 1. Tan square a 1 is a tan square a plus 1 1 is a 1. Bracket complete. Tan square a plus 1, tan square a plus 1 get cancelled. This tan square a moves to numerator. So your answer is tan square a. First one. Okay. The next second one. 1 minus tan A, 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A whole square. See, numerator is always already having a tan A. Numerator is always having a tan A. So this cot A we can write in the form of tan. So 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot we can write in the form of 1 upon tan A whole square. So again numerator write as it is, 1 minus tan A. In denominator there are two terms, 1 and tan. So LCM is again tan A. LCM is again tan A. 1 tan A is a tan A. Tan A, 1 is a tan A. So tan A minus 1 bracket complete whole square. Here it is 1 minus tan A. Here it is tan A minus 1. These two terms will not get cancelled, correct? Because different terms are there. One is a positive term, here one is a negative term. Tan A is a negative, tan A is a positive. So what to do? We have to take minus sign common either in numerator or in denominator. So I am going to take minus sign common in numerator. If you take minus sign common, it becomes tan A minus 1 divided by tan A minus 1 whole divided by tan A square. Okay? See, here also tan A minus 1 and here also tan A minus 1. Both the terms got eliminated. We cancel each other. So remaining term, here it is minus and this tan A moves to numerator, minus tan A whole square upon 1. Minus tan A whole square upon 1. Minus into minus plus. We are squaring it. Square of negative term is always a whole square. So tan square A is your RHS. Come here. Ready? Get up. Are you? Huh? He is from here only. No, sir, done. Then, why you came now? Hopeless, useless. Where is your editor? Huh? It's finished? Yes, now you can ask me, do you have any doubts in this chapter? Any doubts? No doubts? Boys, any doubts? Yes, sir. So, day before yesterday, I had assigned a worksheet, trigonometry worksheet. How many episodes? Episodes. At least, did you open or not? No. Huh? Girls, you girl didn't open, right? How many questions you solved? Sana, 11 questions. 9. Okay. So we can take worksheet now. First question: if sin theta is equal to cos theta, find the value of theta. If sin theta is equal to cos theta, find the value of theta. Sin theta and cos theta equal only when theta is equal to 45 degrees. Correct? Sin 0 is 0. Sin 30 half. Sin 45 1 upon root 2. Sin 60 root 3 upon 2. Sin 90 1. Similarly cos 0 1. Cos 30 root 3 upon 2. Cos 45 1 upon root 2. Cos 60 1 upon 2. Cos 90 not 1 0. Cos 90 0. So sine value always lies between 0 and 1. When the sine function means sine angles are increasing, the sine value is also increasing. When the sine angles are increasing, then the value decreases. So that is between 1 and 0, 0 and 1. Okay. The next question, if cos A is equal to 7 upon 25, second question, these are all 1 mark questions. Hope easily you can solve 1 more questions, but just tricks I will tell you here. If cos A is equal to 7 upon 25, find the value of tan A plus cot A. Tan A plus cot A. Okay. See here, no need to draw the triangle and no need to apply the Pythagoras theorem. Why you know? Now we learnt the identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Am I right? Yes. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. But cos A is given here. I mean the cos theta. That is 7 upon 25. So cos square theta is equal to 49 upon 625. Am I right? 7 square is 49 and square of 25 is 625. So we need to calculate sin first. Why? Because sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta and reciprocal of tan is cot. So sin square right as it is, sin square theta plus cos square theta we calculate it, that is 49 upon 625 is equal to 1. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus 49 upon 625. So LCM is 620. 625 minus 49. 625 minus 49 is 576 upon 625 is sin square theta. But we need a sin theta. Sin theta is equal to under root 576 upon 625 is nothing but 24 upon 25. Sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. So tan A is equal to, or tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta we calculated, that is 24 upon 25 and cos theta is given 7 upon 25. 25 get cancelled, 24 upon 7. But the question is tan A plus cot A. Tan A plus cot A, tan A plus cot A is 24 upon 7 plus 7 upon 24. Simplify this, you will get the answer. Okay. So LCM is 7 4s are 28, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 2 16. 7 how much are? 7. 24s are 24 7s are 24 24s are 576 plus 49 625 upon 168. Oh, this answer you got right? Huh? Where is your worksheet book? Here? Okay. Is Newton first? Third question. Question number 3. Third question. X is equal to a sin theta. X is equal to a sin theta, and y is equal to a cos theta. Y is equal to a cos theta. Then find the value of x square plus y square. Then find the value of x square plus y square. You see here, x is given a sin theta and y is given a cos theta. Asked to calculate x square plus y square. Just substitute x and y value here. X square means a sin theta whole square plus y square means a cos theta whole square. This is nothing but a square sin square theta. This is nothing but a square cos square theta. So directly can I take a square as a common term? Yes, a square. So remaining term inside bracket sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is nothing but 1. So a square into 1. So your answer is a square. Question number 4. Fourth question. Question number 4. Find the value of sin theta upon under root 1 minus square of sin theta. Okay. Again we know the identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Correct? And sub identities. 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square and 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square. So numerator sin theta write as it is. Sin theta divided by under root 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Square root get cancelled. Sin theta plus cos theta tan theta. So your answer is tan theta. Simple. Fifth question. Question number 5. Cos theta is equal to 2 upon 3. Cos theta is equal to 2 upon 3. Then find the value of 2 a square of sec theta plus 2 a square of tan square theta minus 7. How to solve this? Yes, anybody? How to solve this? Sana? Pythagoras theorem, correct? Yes, here, what to do? 2 sec square theta write as it is. Because reciprocal of cos is sec. That easily we will get. Plus 2 into 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Am I right? So tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. 1 you can transfer to right hand side. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. And tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. So again this tan square I am writing in the form of sec square theta minus 1 minus 7. Okay. Now no need to use Pythagoras theorem and no need to draw the right angle triangle and all. So 2 sec square theta plus again 2 sec square theta minus 2 minus 7. 2 sec square, 2 sec square, 4 square of sec theta minus 9. Now substitute the value 4 into bracket. Cos theta is 2 upon 3 and sec theta is 3 upon 2. So 3 upon 2 square minus 9. Am I right? So now 4 into 3 square is 9 upon 4 minus 9. 4 4 get cancelled. 9 minus 9? 0. So answer is 0. Understood? It's not. Question number 6. Tan of 3x minus 15 degree is equal to 1. Then find the value of x. Then x is equal to question. Question number 6. Tan of 3x minus 15 degree is equal to 1. Then find the value of x. Interesting questions, right? Those who are understanding for them only, not for everybody. Don't say yes. I know few of the students are getting headache morning, why math class and why trigonometry. Yes. Tan of 3x minus 15 degree is equal to 1. This tan I can take the right hand side. Otherwise, that's there in first year actually. Tan inverse. If it comes to right hand side, it becomes tan inverse. Okay. So no need to take right hand side. So tan of 3x minus 15 degree is equal to tan what angle is 1? Tan 45 degree. So tan of 45 degree. Tan of 45 degree. See, left hand side also tan function and right hand side also tan function. If the functions are same, then the angles are equal. So this is the angle and this is the angle. So 3x minus 15 degree is equal to 45 degree. This minus 15 moves to right hand side. 3x is equal to 45 plus 15. So x is equal to 60 upon 3. 3 ones are 320. So x is equal to 20 degree. How many of you heard the name Abraham Lincoln? Abraham Lincoln, you know? Huh? Who was he? Abraham Lincoln? President, ex-president of India, United States of America. Hope you heard his story. Once what happened, he elected as a president of United States of America. It was in the Senate. He was taking oath ceremony. It was the oath ceremony was going on. So one of the opposite member insulted him very badly. How he insulted, you know? Mr. Abraham Lincoln, you know, your father was a cobbler, means shoemaker. Your father was a shoemaker. He used to make shoes for my family. So whole Senate was laughed like anything. But Abraham Lincoln didn't lose his confidence. With a smiley face he accepted and he said, yes, Mr. Dear One, my father was a shoemaker and he is a very good shoemaker. Do you have any complaints? Because he didn't get any complaints in his throughout the journey. So do you have any complaints? Even I too make the shoes very well. Like that he was replied. Why I told this one? See, whatever you do, love your job. Whether you are a student or teacher is always a learner. Don't think that teachers are masters, teachers are, no, not like that. Teacher is always a learner. If teacher not learning anything, then he didn't teach anything to the student. Teacher is just like an informer. Whatever it is there in textbook, we are providing to the students. Yes, sir. Just like an informer, just like a mediator. So whatever you do, whether you are a sweeper or a president, that doesn't matter. Love your job. Every day you are coming here. Few of them are enjoying, few of them are not enjoying. Don't do that. Performance always comes in the fashion, I said. Not from the pressure. Your parents are putting the pressure, teachers are putting the pressure, you are taking the stress, then don't accept the good results. I'm telling you, don't expect the good results. So why I told you, first you love your job. You are a student, you are coming here to learn, so love it. Most of the students having headache about mathematics and other subjects like physics, whatever you can teach, they are not ready to take. That is the problem. Am I right? How many people love maths? Girls, how many people love maths? See, hardly 3 to 4, 5, 6. Because sir will scold, that's what we are raising our hands. Yes, sir. Tell from your heart. Boys, how many people love maths? Nobody. I know very well. 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. That's it. Among 126 students, hardly 20 to 30 students only loving maths. Do not hate mathematics, I am telling you. If you hate maths, you will not get good position in your life. Keep in your mind. And mark my words. If you will not learn maths, then you will not learn science. Here, okay. Here basic concepts are there. Chemistry is there. Biology is there. However, you can understand, except physics. You are getting at least 70 to 80 marks, no problem at all. But in PUC, in PU science, your physics, your chemistry, everything depend upon mathematics. There also derivations will come. So those derivations based on trigonometry. If you not learn trigonometry, then how will you derive? Deepa, class number. Okay, yes, next example we can take. Example, which one? Seventh one. Find the value of 1 minus cos square 60 degree divided by sin 60. So again, identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, correct? So 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. Here 1 minus cos square theta is there. So we can write sin square theta divided by sin 60 degree. So 1 sin 60, 1 sin 60 get cancelled. The value of sin 60 is root 3 upon simple. Okay. Question number 8. Sin square 60 degree plus 2 times of tan 45 degree minus cos square 30 degree. Let's substitute the value. See, one more thing. Sin 60 is equal to cos. Sin 60 is equal for cos what value? 30 degree. Sin 60 and cos 30 square is there. Get cancelled. Am I right? Tan 45 is 2 ones are. Your answer is 2. Question number 9. If sin x plus cos y, if sin x plus cos y is equal to 1, x is equal to 30 degree. x is equal to 30 degree and y is acute angle. Find the value of y. X is equal to 30 degree and y is an acute angle. Find the value of y. Okay. See, x is given here 30 degree. Sin 30 degree plus cos y is equal to 1. Sin 30 is sin 30 degree half 1 upon 2 plus cos y is equal to 1. So cos y is equal to 1 minus half. This half moves to right hand side. 1 minus half is half. So cos y is equal to half. Cos y is equal to cos 60 degree because cos 60 is 1 upon 2. See, left hand side also cos and right hand side also cos function. If the functions are same, then the angles are equal. Y is equal to 60 degree. Yes, any doubts here? Next, 10th one. In triangle ABC, right angle at B and AB is 5 centimeter. Question number 10. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB is equal to 5 centimeter. There is one triangle ABC and it is right angle at B and AB is 5 centimeter. AB is 5 centimeter. Sin C is half. Sin C is half. Find the length of AC. Find the length of AC. See, theta formed at C. Theta formed at C. How you define sine? Sine theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. Cos adjacent upon hypotenuse. Tan opposite upon adjacent. Cosec hypotenuse upon opposite. Sec hypotenuse upon adjacent. And cot adjacent upon opposite. See here, sine C is equal to half. Angle formed at C. So sine C is equal to opposite. This is opposite, right? Opposite upon hypotenuse. But 5 centimeter they have given here. Huh? No. Angle formed at B they say. In a triangle ABC, right angled at B they say. Right angled at B and AB is 5 centimeter. Okay, 5 you can see later. Sin C is equal to half. Opposite upon hypotenuse. Okay. Use Pythagoras theorem. What you will get? 2 square is 4 minus 1. Root 3 you will get. So this BC is root 3 you will get and AC is 2. AC is 2. In that question, AB is equal to 5 centimeter is that you can remove. That's not correct. Only sign is enough. Only the function sign is enough. Yes, any doubts here? How? Sin C is half is there. Then you are taking AB is equal to 5 centimeter, then you are taking 1 upon 2 here. How it is? Check there. Wherever you can check. Opposite upon hypotenuse. Their opposite is what? Huh? That only, man. See, you took an angle at, you changed this, correct? This you make A, this you make C. Am I right? What is the question? Sin C. This C, this A, I think you took this C and this C. So now angle forming here. They have mentioned that AB is equal to how much it is? AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Again they have given sin C is equal to 1 upon 2. Am I right? How you define sine? Opposite upon? Opposite is this only, no? Opposite upon hypotenuse. Either 5 centimeter you can take or 1 you can take. Both how you will take? Am I right or wrong? Hope you are satisfied with my answer. One thing they have to give, either sine function they have to give, otherwise two sides they have to give. Two sides they have not given, but function is given. Sin C, how you define? Opposite upon hypotenuse. Wherever you can take the angle, whether it is here or here, that doesn't matter. Understood? That's wrong. Here you have written that AB is 1 centimeter. Where in triangle denotations you have written that AB is equal to 1 centimeter. But in the example, sorry, you are taking AB is 5 centimeter. How it is? Yes. Next section B, 2 more questions. Question number 11. Do that. Question number 11. Prove that sin alpha plus cos alpha into bracket tan alpha plus cot alpha is equal to sec alpha plus cosec alpha. Sec alpha plus cosec alpha. Yes, here angle is alpha. Don't get confused. If you are getting confused means you have to take theta. Okay? Yes. So LHS you can take and for RHS. LHS is sin alpha plus cos alpha into bracket. Tan you can write in the form of sin and cos. Sin alpha upon cos alpha plus cos alpha upon sin alpha. Okay, so now sin alpha plus cos alpha, right, as it is, and the LCM is sin alpha into cos alpha. LCM is sin alpha into cos alpha. Sin into sin, sin square alpha plus cos into cos, cos square alpha. So sin alpha plus cos alpha, sin square theta plus cos square theta, 1 upon sin alpha into cos alpha. So we can multiply this. Sin alpha plus cos alpha divided by sin alpha into cos alpha. So now we can separate the terms. Sin alpha divided by sin alpha into cos alpha plus cos alpha divided by sin alpha into cos alpha. Sin alpha cancel. Cos alpha cancel. 1 upon cos is sec alpha, and 1 upon sin is cosec alpha. Sec alpha plus cosec alpha is your RHS. It's finished. Okay, next question. Question number 12. 12th one. Do that under root 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A is equal to cosec A minus cot A. Cosec A minus cot A. Let's see, left hand side you can see. So both are irrationals, correct? Numerator and denominator are irrational. So you have to rationalize the denominator. Rationalizing factor is 1 minus cos A. So LHS side 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A. So rationalizing the denominator, multiplying the rationalizing factor, that is 1 minus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A. These are under root only. So now under root 1 minus cos A into 1 minus cos A, 1 minus cos A whole square divided by 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. 1 plus cos A, one step you can write as it is, 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. So now numerator write as it is. Numerator is under root 1 minus cos A whole square. See the denominator. Denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. 1 square minus b square is cos square a. 1 square is 1. 1 minus cos square a. Again identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square. 1 minus cos square is sin square. So is equal to under root 1 minus cos A whole square divided by the square of sin A. Square of sin A. Even numerator and denominator both are having the squares. So you can write in only one bracket 1 minus cos A divided by sin A whole square. Square root get cancelled. Square root get cancelled. So remaining term 1 minus cos A upon sin A. So we separate the terms 1 upon sin A minus cos A upon sin A. 1 upon sin is cosec A and cos upon sin is cot A. Cosec A minus cot A is your answer. So class number start with 5 members.
Amount
Class A students, how many are there? Class A? All can do. Class A all can do. You can do 5 students. What the room? Yes, question number 13. Find A and B. If sine of A plus 2B is equal to root 3 upon 2. 3 marks important example it is. Sine of A plus 2B is equal to root 3 upon 2. And cos of A plus B, cos of A plus B is equal to half. Same conditions. Here A plus B and A plus 2B lies between 0 and 90 degree. A and B are acute angles. A and B are acute angles. Then find the value of A and B is the question. Okay? Yes. See here. Solution. So first we can take the first function, that is sine. Sine of A plus 2B is equal to root 3 upon 2. Sine of A plus 2B, sine what angle gives the root 3 upon 2? Sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree. See, functions are same, then the angles are equal. So that is A plus 2B is equal to 60 degree. Call it as equation number 1. So similarly, one more function we have, that is cos. Cos of A plus B. Cos of A plus B is equal to half. So cos of A plus B is equal to, cos what angle gives half? 60. Cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree. Okay. So now left hand side also cos and right hand side also cos. Both the functions are same, then angles are equal. A plus B is equal to 60 degree. Call it as equation number 2, equation number 1 and equation number 2. Equation 2 minus 1 gives, or equation 1 minus 2. Anyone you can take. Equation 1 minus equation 2 gives. Equation 1 is A plus 2B is equal to 60 degree. And equation 2 is A plus B is equal to 60 degree. I am subtracting. While subtracting, sign become reverse. Plus become minus, plus become minus, plus become minus. Plus and minus a cancel. 2B minus B, B. B is equal to 0. B is equal to 0. B is 0. Then what about A? Huh? 60. So put B value in equation number 2. In equation number 2. So the equation number 2 is A plus B is equal to 60 degree. A write as it is, 0 is equal to 60 degree. So A is equal to 60 degree. Okay. You can check it once. See. 60, 0. 60 plus 0 is 60. Sin 60 is root 3 upon 2. And here also same. Cos 60, 0. Cos 60 is half. Okay. Dismissed. Next question number 14. Question number 14. How many have you solved the whole worksheet? No one? Huh? 5 questions remain. Three mark one question. Which question? 17. Then 1 mark 24, 25, 22. There is a q plus bq by identity 22nd and a square. Now a q plus bq by identity can apply in that way. No, that is only here. Okay. And 24 also say sin a to the theta minus cos to the power a theta is there. That you can take it as sin 4 square. You get a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. Okay, again you can apply. Again a square minus b square. Sin 4 minus cos 4 theta will get. So sin 4 means again sin 2 whole to the power 2, cos 2 whole to the power 2. I will solve tomorrow. Yes, sir. Next question number 14 one, right now? Yeah. Number 14. Root 3 sin theta. Root 3 sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. And theta lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. Find the value of theta is the question. See there. Root 3 sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. Theta lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. Find the value of theta. Very simple. Root 3 sin theta. Transfer this cos theta to right hand side. It becomes plus cos theta. Minus cos theta become plus cos theta. And root 3 is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. So root 3 is equal to cot theta. Root 3 is equal to cot. U6. Root 3 is equal to cot theta. So what angle of cot gives root 3? Cot 30 degree or 60 degree? See, sin 30 is half, tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Am I right? If tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, then what about cot 30? Root 3. So cot 30 degree is equal to cot theta and theta is equal to 30 degree. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Then reciprocal of tan, that is cot. Yes. Okay, next. Second main. Last question. In a triangle ABC, right angled at B. In a triangle ABC, right angled at B. Here is our triangle ABC, and this triangle is right angled at B. The ratio of AB is to AC. AB upon AC is equal to 1 upon root 2. 1 is to 2. 1 upon root 2. find the value of 2 tan A. Find the value of 2 tan A upon 1 plus tan square A. Can you solve this? Here AB upon AC is given. AB is 1 and AC is root 2. This is nothing but what? Sine. Okay. Can you solve? You can try now. We will solve later. And I will tell the answer also. Question 1. How you solve? With the ratios or with the angles? See here. See. AB upon AC use which function? Sine, correct. Opposite upon hypotenuse. So sine theta is equal to 1 upon root 2. Sine what angle is 1 upon root 2? Sine 45. So sine theta is equal to sine 45 degree. If the functions are same, then the angles are equal. Theta is equal to 45. Means 45 and 45. Tan 45 is 1. Tan 45 is 1. 1 square is 1. 2 ones are 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 to get cancelled. Ghostly, everyone in front was alone. Where is it? Just finished. The third one we can take. Section C, 3 more questions. These are all competency based questions, 3 marks and 4 marks, 5 marks. Question number 16. If tan theta plus sin theta is equal to m, tan theta plus sin theta is equal to m, and tan theta minus sin theta is equal to n, tan theta minus sin theta is equal to n, then show that m square minus n square, show that m square minus n square is equal to 4 under root mn, 4 into under root mn. Yes, here. So there m square minus n square we can take, and we can prove that 4 into root 2 mn. Okay, so LHS side is m square minus n square, m square minus n square, and here is the m, tan theta plus sin theta. So tan theta plus sin theta whole square minus tan theta minus sin theta whole square. Am I right? Yes. A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. So a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 tan theta into sin theta, minus, so tan square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 tan theta into sin theta, 2 tan theta into sin theta. Am I right? Yes. Next, online go. 4 girls. Finish? Yours? Get up. Go. So tan square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 tan theta into sin theta minus tan square theta minus sin square theta, minus into minus, plus 4 times of tan theta into sin theta. Correct. 2, 2, not 4, 2. Next step it will become 4. Correct. Tan square, tan square. Sin square, sin square. 2 tan theta into sin theta, 2 tan theta into sin theta. Right. 4 tan theta into sin theta. But we are going to prove that m into n, under root m into n. M into n means tan theta into sin theta, tan theta into. Yes, how to do? Any idea? Huh? Anybody? Mallikarjun? Huh? Hmm? Tan. Sin upon cos. Then what is the use? Cos square you will not get. Cos will get. Again, you are going to simplify RHS and verify LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. See, you know the identities. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Tan theta is equal to under root sec square theta minus 1. With the help of, can you prove this? With the help of, can you prove this? Yes. And one more is there. Sin theta is there. So similarly we can take sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Sin theta is equal to under root 1 minus tan square theta. If I write tan theta as under root sec square theta minus 1 or sin theta as under root 1 minus cos square theta, is it possible to prove this? Huh? I don't want to verify LHS is equal to RHS. I want to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. LHS and RHS I don't want to verify. I just want to prove that m square minus n square is equal to 4 under root mn. You multiply this. Tan theta plus sin theta. Tan theta minus sin theta. What you will get? What you will get? Tan into tan square plus tan theta into sin theta. Sin theta into tan theta. You will get that tan square theta minus sin square theta. At the end you will get this only, tan square theta minus sin square theta. But here is only tan theta into sin theta. So is it possible to express this tan theta into sin theta as tan square theta minus sin square theta? Huh? Is it possible? Not possible. See, here it is 1 minus sec square theta is there. Sec square theta, if I write it as 1 upon cos square, it becomes 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square divided by cos square. Here it is already 1 minus cos square is there. 1 minus cos square into 1 minus cos square. 1 minus cos square whole square. 1 minus cos square whole square. That again I can use the identity a minus b whole square. But the easy way, you can verify LHS is equal to RHS. That is the easy way. If you take this again, it becomes complex, but you will get the answer. Okay? Yes, sir. Just this you can note down. RHS I will tell you. Why didn't bring any documents? What? Money? No. Yes. That we don't want. Before it was there. Then what about others? Huh? Then when you will submit? What you wrote? Show me. Yes, well. Submit. Puno. What about others? You just first row, submit it. Tomorrow you will bring. Submit it. Tomorrow you go. Yeah. General engineering. You submit for me. Certificate. Not brought. Right? When you bring it out, then you will bring it. Okay? Yes, sir. The continued part I will solve tomorrow.